Hey everybody, this is Dan for GemmyD on Cars. This is a very awesome day here. If you can see why, we are doing a drive video of this. This is a 2018 Nissan GTR. This is a legendary, iconic Japanese supercar. Just did my walk around, and now in this video, we're gonna take it out for a drive. So here we go. I'm very, very excited. So let's hear that V6 twin turbo. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. All right, guys, we're taking off in the GTR. Just had to stop back at home real quick to get my something for my camera. So what my buddy said is definitely accurate. Like, I'm going 6 miles an hour and it's already in second gear. I feel like it is very, very quick to shift. We do have a 6-speed automatic, but this car has insane power, and this car is far from stock. So the normal stock GTR for 2018 has a 3.8 liter twin turbo V6. We've got all-wheel drive, 565 horsepower and 467 foot-pounds of torque. But this car is modified. It has an intake, it has blow-off valves, it has a tune, it is on E85, and we have a modified exhaust, which sounds pretty fantastic. And I said in the other video, like, sometimes it's hard to get a 6-cylinder car to sound really good, but they have nailed it. This sounds absolutely badass. I can't wait to get out and do a little bit of full throttle driving in the GTR. But yeah, please go watch my other video to see what my initial thoughts are. But this car it's a Japanese icon. I mean, simply put, this is on the Mount Rushmore of Japanese cars, maybe along with like the Honda Civic or like a Nissan Z or like a Lexus LS 400, something like that. I mean, this car just has the pedigree of the Skyline, heritage that it has from Japan. Okay, I'm already in 5th gear, 45 miles an hour, 5th gear already. So yeah, this car is on a platform that is so easily modifiable. I mean, there are underground racing and cars like this at Texas 2K with like 2,500 horsepower. I think this platform and like an Audi R8 Huracan V10 can be insanely modified to get ridiculous power. I mean, there's R8s and Huracans with like 1,800, 2,000 horsepower. But yeah, as a daily driver, I really think this could be a daily drivable supercar. It's not that stiff. We're gonna stiff it up a little bit when we go into race mode for a couple different things. So my buddy said to make sure if you get on it, you're in 2nd gear. So we're gonna give her the beans a little bit right here. So here we go. Oh my God! It just gets speed so quickly. It is insane. I feel like this is one of the easiest cars I've ever driven that just gets to speed quickly, because we've got all-wheel drive, a shitload of power, and like, this is a big car, but it doesn't feel that big when you're driving. It just feels like a monster. I mean, wow. So like my buddies say, the boost develops quickly, and the blow-off valves with that psh, psh, it just sounds so good. And I'm taking it easy because this is not my car, and this car is not under warranty. So yeah, there definitely is a point where the boost hits and you could just feel it start to, the tires start to dig in and get going. But we got 335 section rear tires, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, so that is an amazing tire and wheel setup. We do have 15-inch brakes, so you've got a lot of everything. You've got a lot of performance, grip, stopping power, all-wheel drive. Okay. All right, I'm gonna get on it here. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh, that's amazing. That performance is just insane. And there really is that moment. It's almost like when I drove that Honda S2000, you get like that angry swarm of bees that starts to build up, and like once you get up in the rev range, but holy wow. It doesn't want to quit either. I mean, you could do this all day. It's just, once that boost just builds up, you are just gone. I mean, so I just drove that Hellcat, which was 700 horsepower, but it was very hard to get that power down on the ground. Like, this is couldn't be easier to get the power down, but you've got that all-wheel drive system and just I mean, wow. Fun. No fun to be had. All right, I'm just gonna wait. That person turned behind me. Ready? Oh my God. I didn't give myself very much room, but oh my God. I don't want to say it sounds like a V8. It's just a unique sound. I mean, it's the best sounding 6-cylinder I've ever driven. It's just fantastic. It just sounds so throaty, and it's like a higher pitched noise. Oh my God. It just sounds amazing. This is an incredible car on pretty much every front. Now, this is still sort of like a performance bargain. I mean, you can get these for, I'll say, around $100,000. This is probably more fun to drive than that Corvette that I drove, and that was a C8, you know, mid-engine. You know, that car looked great, but this is just an unbelievable platform. I didn't think that it would be so, you know, easy to get the power down, but the whole platform is just a sweet, you know, mix of everything. You know, you've got the looks, you know, nothing looks like this. You got the sound. Ready? Listen. Yeah. Plus the performance, which is obviously right there. I mean, this is insane. All right, now I'm gonna try to go out into the middle of nowhere where there are some cornfields, just to stretch the legs of Godzilla a little bit. Now I haven't really talked about the handling, but the handling is still pretty decent on this car too. I mean, it's a big car, but it'll still handle well. Just listen. Yeah, that blow off. Oh, that blow off is like intoxicating. All right, we're coming up to the straight. I'm gonna do my best to give her the beans, and we'll go from there. I see cornfields. All right, here we go. GTR. Ready? Oh my God. Oh. Woo. It's just amazing how it builds speed. I never drove a car like that. It's just, yeah. Oh, you could get into some trouble, that's for sure. But like, it's not like, it doesn't like slam you over the head. It's just a gentle surge. But once the boost kicks in, it is just gone. And I'm gonna do that again. Watch, I'm gonna go up the hill and it's still gonna be insane. Ready? It's just, I know this is a modified exhaust, but you can just feel the torque, you know, willing you to get up this hill. All right, one last little pull. Ready? Gotta get over the crest right here. I'm in 6th gear, and if I floor it, let's see where I get down to. Okay, we're approaching the crest. All right, here we go. Oh, baby. Oh my God. Dude, the brakes are insane too, because I'm stopping very, very rapidly. Oh my God. This is awesome. This is insane. This is a legit, I mean, supercar killer. All right, we're gonna do a little POV action of the GTR, the Godzilla. And the Godzilla is such a perfect nickname for this car because it is big and it is amazing. This is one of my favorite cars I have ever driven, without question. Yeah, it's almost like it is a okay, I'm in 6th gear going 51 miles an hour. That is already, I mean, we're at the top of the gear range, but there's just so much torque that you can always get into the right gear just to be where you want to be in the power band. I don't know if we'll ever have another GTR like this. And, you know, there are more special, you know, more powerful GTRs and special editions, this, Nismo, Track Edition, you know, but this car is just amazing. And I like I said earlier, I get it why the GTR is so special now. And all right, let's just we'll give it a little rip. Okay, ready? Oh, I can't, I'm already caught up. Damn it. All right, once I get some space, I just want to get on a little bit. All right, ready? Oh my God, oh, that's just fantastic. This is a really special car. So I said before that I get it why people like the GTR. I really don't know if I would purchase one of these if I had the chance. I just don't know. But it's just so, the performance and the whole package is just so hard to give up compared to something else. It really would be a tough decision. So, all right, we're gonna go back to home base and let's wrap this up. All right, so I'm back at home. Just did my drive in the GTR and I get it. I finally get it. I've finally been lucky enough to get a chance to get behind the wheel of a GTR, and this car is just spectacular for so many reasons. It checks all the boxes. Performance, sound, you know, iconic, legendary nameplate, been around since the late 60s, the Skyline GTR. But just the performance is insane. I never driven a car that builds up the boost so quickly and puts the power down to the ground so much. This is definitely one of my favorite cars I've driven this year. I mean, this has been a fantastic year for my channel. I've been very lucky to get my hands on some pretty special cars, and this is definitely up near the top. So big thanks to my buddy Adam. This is an amazing car. You got a good one, hold on to it. And yeah, so if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at GemmyD on Cars. I made a TikTok too of GemmyD on Cars too. I haven't really posted to it, but anyway, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this one as much as I did, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.